Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases here by Caseology for the Google Pixel 5a. Huge thanks and shout out to Caseology for sending these cases out for us to take a look at here on the channel. And if by the end of this video you do find yourself interested in any of these cases that you see here, I'll make sure to have some links down in the description below so you can go ahead and check them out for yourself. They do range anywhere from around $13.99 to $16.99 on Amazon, so very affordable cases. As you can see, we have three different types of cases here. We have the Legion series here to the left, right in the middle we got the Vault series, and then the Parallax series here to my right, all looking very, very good. But let me go ahead and push these ones over. I'll bring in the device right here, and then we'll start off with the Legion series. So starting off with the Legion series here, as you can see, I got three different colors going on. We got gray, black, and then kind of like this minty green color with the darker green up at the top. I don't know, but it looks pretty good. Now this is kind of like a two-piece case, as you can see there, so it's going to give you that extra protection. Let's go ahead and throw it on the device here. Slaps on nice and easy, just like that, as you can see there. And I really like what we got going on in the back of this case. So for the most part, we have a matte finish, and then up here at the top where the darker green color is, it's more of a texture rough feel, but it's not uncomfortable, and it actually goes all the way around the device, as you can see there, for the most part. And what this does, it's going to help prevent the phone from slipping out of your hand. It's going to give you a nice grip on the side. So really nice touch that they added there to this case. But looking at the back here, you got precise cutouts for the fingerprint sensor and that camera, and they're actually pretty deep cutouts, so they're going to give you good protection if you happen to accidentally drop your device, flat on a flat surface on its back, just like that. It should keep that camera and fingerprint sensor protected. And this actually kind of helps you find that fingerprint sensor a lot easier as well to quickly unlock your device. Going over here to the right, we got the power button and volume rockers, which actually work really good. Nice and clicky, nice and responsive. Let's check out the volume rockers. Working really good, nice and responsive. Going to the top, we got cutouts for the headphone jack and the microphone, and then we have nothing over here to the left. And then down at the bottom, we got precise cutouts for the microphone, speaker, and the charging port. And then going to the display, as you can see, we got a pretty deep lip all the way around the device. So if you happen to accidentally drop your device flat on a flat surface like that, hopefully you should be protected, because it is deep enough to give it enough raise to drop it on a flat surface like that and keep that display protected. But overall, a very good looking case, very good feeling case. It doesn't add too much bulk to the device itself, but it does feel like it's going to give it some pretty good protection. And it also fits on there nice and snug. It doesn't really feel like the phone is going to fall out of the case. If you happen to drop it around a lot, the phone should stay in the case nice and secure. So very nice case, and I actually really like this color as well. But let's take a look at the other one. Now I'm not gonna test out wireless charging because there is no wireless charging with this device. This is what the black one's going to look like. It actually looks really good. Got the nice matte finish right here, and then again, that textured finish up at the top. Let's get a nice close up on this one. Look at that. And they are all going to function the same. They're all going to fit the same, just all coming in different colors. Let's check out the gray one here. And we got kind of like a silverish color with the gray. And it actually looks pretty good. Look at that. Nice little close up there. Again, this is the Legion series. So let's go ahead and move on to the Vault series. Okay, so moving on, I got two different colors as you can see here. We got black and gray. We'll go ahead and start off with the black. Let's go ahead and throw it on the device. Slaps on nice and easy, just like that. Now this is a one-piece case. It doesn't have a hard shell in the back like what we saw with the Legion series over here, but the whole back pretty much has that rough texture. I wouldn't say rough, but it has a nice texture in the back that's going to help prevent it from slipping out of your hands. Now it doesn't continue onto the sides. The sides do have more of a smooth texture, but it doesn't feel slippery at all. So it definitely should not slip out of your hands. We got precise cutouts for that camera module and the fingerprint sensor. And if you look here up at the top next to that camera, we got, look at that, nice different kind of design as well. But overall, I think the back of the case looks really, really nice. Going over to the sides, we got the power button and volume rockers. Let's go ahead and test that out. Power button, nice and responsive. Let's go and test out the volume rockers. Working really good, as you can see there. Up at the top, we got the cutout for the microphone and the headphone jack. Nothing at the left side. Down at the bottom, we got the cutouts for the charging port, microphone, and the speaker. And then we got a nice lip around the front of the display. Like I said earlier, with this case right here, in case you happen to drop it on a flat surface like that, you should be protected. So as you can see, definitely a good sized lip there. But like I said, on a flat surface, don't go throwing your phone in rocks or anything like that, because I can't guarantee anything, that your phone will be protected from rocks, but this should give you some decent protection. Let's go and test out the gray one. Let's see what that looks like on the device. Again, slaps on nice and easy, just like that. Same cutouts. Get a nice little close-up. And there we are. So that is the Volt series. So moving on to our last three cases here. This is the Parallax series. As you can see, we got three different colors here. We got blue, kind of like this minty green color in the middle, and then black. Now, this is kind of like a two-piece case. Not really, but it is. It is a flexible case, as you can see here. But around the edges, we got more of a hard plastic shell, and then that also continues right here on the bottom, as you can see there. But let's go ahead and slap this case on. Let's see how easy it slaps on, just like that. And ooh, I actually really like this blue color. I think it looks really good. We got a nice design here in the back with a nice texture. We have more of a flat surface up here at the top and at the bottom, and then we got this little border down here as well. Again, precise cutouts in the back for that fingerprint sensor and camera module. Let's do this again. If you drop it on a flat surface, you should be okay. It should protect that camera module and fingerprint sensor. And then, like I said, around the edges, we got more of a plastic hard shell just around the edges. Like I said, the back is more of that flexible style case. Now up here at the top, we got the cutout for the headphone jack and microphone, nothing at the left. At the bottom, we got the cutouts for the charging port, speaker, and microphone. And then over here to the right, of course, the power button and volume rockers. Let's test those out. Nice and clicky, nice and responsive. Let's test out the volume rockers. Volume rockers working good. All right. And let's check out the lip for the display. Look at that, nice deep enough lip. So if you happen to accidentally drop it on a flat surface, you should be protected. Hopefully no damage will happen to that front display there. But overall, very, very good looking case. I really like the overall style of it. I think it looks really good. Really like this color as well. And it feels good in the hand. It doesn't add too much bulk to your device. If you do want to take it off, don't start at the top, start at the bottom. It just makes taking it off a lot easier. There we go. Let's go ahead and put the green, minty green one on. There we go. Slaps on nice and easy, as you can see there. And it does fit really nice and secure on this device, which is why it's a little tough to take off. That's why I recommend taking it off from the bottom. But let's get a close up on this one. This color actually looks really nice. Look at that. Not bad looking at all. Let's check out the black one. There we go. Let's slap it on there. There we are. Nice and secure. Let's check this one out. This one actually looks really good with that green fingerprint sensor right there. Looks really, really good. Look at that. And there we are. This is the Parallax series. Now we are not quite done just yet. Again, if you're interested in any of these cases right here, I'll have links down in the description below. But we also got a tempered glass screen protector here from Caseology as well. That is compatible with these cases right here. So let's go ahead and do a quick install. Now this is a 2-pack, as you can see here, and it does provide us with everything that we need here, even some very simple instructions. So it doesn't look like this is going to be hard to put on at all. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we clean the display on this device. And I did make sure to turn the phone off. That way the screen is not constantly turning on and just kind of messing me up here. So we'll go ahead and get this little wet wipe here. Open it up. There we go. And then we'll just go ahead and clean this display. Make sure you don't have any fingerprints on there. No dust. Clean it up really, really good. There we go. Looking good there. Kind of hard to do this behind camera, but I am going to do my best. Good thing they provide us with 2 of them just in case I screw this up, but hopefully not. There we go. The display is looking clean. So next what we want to do is take these stickers right here. They're dust removing stickers. I'll go ahead and use the smaller one here. And then you're just going to go around the device like that to make sure all of the dust is off. There we go. And you do want to try and make sure that you do this in a dust-free environment. That way you don't risk any dust falling on this display, causing any air bubbles under that screen protector. There we go, looking good there. Okay, so after cleaning it, it says to put this frame on right here, and the frame does tell you where the bottom is and the top is. So this is going to be the top right here. I'm going to just slap it on there. There we are. Okay, what is next? So now we're going to take the back film. So let's get the screen protector here. There we are, and this is the back film, so we're gonna take that off, just like that. And I guess we just go ahead and set it in the frame here. Let me go ahead and try to do this behind the camera. It's a little hard. And just drop it in. There we go. And it helps it line up perfectly. Look at that. And the adhesive is spreading. And all you got to do right here, it says to press and slide down. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to press and slide down. And I guess you just wait for it to do its thing. Let the adhesive spread. Let me go ahead and kind of tilt it this way. Let's see. Let's do it again. There we go. Okay, it's starting to fall down. So once the adhesive evenly spreads, I'll be back. All right, so all finished there. Now I did kind of have to push it around a little bit with my fingers to try and get out the air bubbles, but they did give us a little tool right here to help us press out the rest of that air. But for the most part, I did just kind of have to, push it down myself. So next what we're gonna do is go ahead and take off this top piece, toss it over there to the side, and then it looks like we can go ahead and take this plastic piece off, just like that. And then that's where this little tool will come in to make sure we have the rest of the air out. Just go ahead and kind of like a little squeegee. Just go down like that. And I'm assuming we can go up as well. So we have a little air bubble right there. Let's try to get it out. There we are. And it looks like I got all of the air bubbles out. So look at that. Let me go ahead and wipe it down really quick so we can see what it looks like. And there we are. Look at that. Looking good. I think I did a pretty good job for my first time putting this screen protector on. Like I said, they do make it fairly simple, so it's not the hardest screen protector to put on. But look at that, it actually looks really good. Let me go ahead and power the device on so we can see how responsive the display is going to be with this screen protector on. All right, so I got the phone turned on here. Let's go and test this out. And the phone still responds like there is no screen protector there. Now this is a tempered glass screen protector, and when the phone is on like this, it actually doesn't even look like there is a screen protector on the phone. Look at that. So it's looking really, really good on here. Let's go ahead and try it out with the case provided. There we go. And it looks good. So it doesn't touch the case at all around these edges. So you're not gonna have any problem with this popping up or anything like that. So definitely really, really good. So there it is, there you have it. Some cases here by Caseology for the Google Pixel 5a. Y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Which one of these would you choose for yourself? Again, I'll make sure to have links down in the description below, also for that tempered glass screen protector. But again, let me know your thoughts. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But again, thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.